Made in the shade, an expression that became popular in the 1950s. If you had it made in the shade, you were cool, comfortable, life is easy. It's kind of like that on a playground. Shade on a hot sunny day means children and adults have a place to chill out, avoid the damaging rays of the sun, and stay longer, play longer. In this video, we're talking about the type of shade structures we offer and the benefits of playground shades, how they protect people and equipment. We'll show you some really cool options to cover any outdoor space. Parks, playgrounds, pools, picnic areas, even bleachers. Establishments with patios like restaurants, bars, and public plazas can also benefit by putting in commercial shade structures. Check out some of our work.
It really offers a nice place for the kids to get away and get out of the sun, and it cuts down on the heat.
We installed two types of shades at this early childhood center, one small and one very large, 40 feet long.
This customer chose a 3-base swing set that has the shade attached, and it creates a nice shade over the top of the swings as the kids are swinging. So it's a beautiful look and a great way to keep the kids out of the sun, keep those UV rays off of them.
And cooling comfort comes in this smaller package. Canopy shades can be in all shapes: rectangular, square, hexagonal, colors, and sizes.
We've put in just a single post square shade here, and this is great because it doesn't take up a lot of space. If you just do the one post shade like we've done back here, it's inexpensive to install. It's a fairly inexpensive price for the shade, and it provides a great amount of shade. You can do them at 8 foot, 10 foot, 12 foot.
The benefits of shades, first and foremost, are health and safety. Depending on the material and color, shades can block up to 99% of the sun's harmful UV rays. Shades also help cool us down on hot sunny days, cooling a shaded area by as much as 25 degrees. Play areas become more user-friendly. Picnics and snack time, birthday parties, celebration, conversation. A place to relax, recharge, and play again, and avoid the burn. Made in the shade is definitely the rule at this Clubhouse Pool.
They had a pool that they were putting in with a pool bar, and they called us and wanted us to put in a large, I think it's a 40-foot diameter shade over their pool bar that we were able to do. So we did a one-post shade. It was a custom shade. They decided how big they wanted it. We worked with the architects and the designers to get the proper size, shape, and even the height on that one, because it was going to go right over the pool bar. They hung a couple TVs on the post, and it turned out amazing, as you can see. So the great thing about shades is that we have something basic like what you see behind me, and then we can go up from there. We have sail shades, we can custom design something. You can come up with a lot of different things.
AAA Say to Play also has a selection of cantilever shades, some large enough to even cover bleachers. This hanging cantilever shade structure gives cover to outdoor areas like entrances, walkways, and bleachers. The design puts the supports off to the side so they don't block access. So these are equipped with glide elbows right here. There's a little eyelet in the fabric where the hook goes into. And if you take this little panel off with the mechanism on the inside that allows you to move the shade back and forth. There's an eyelet on the top that the fabric goes through. Most of our installers, like Glenn, put in shades with glide elbows. They help to tighten and secure the fabric awning with only a wrench or a cordless drill. The glide elbow makes it much easier to remove and reinstall the shade fabric in case of strong storms or winter weather. This helps increase the life of the shade. Upfront install costs for the glide elbow are cheaper as well. We like to use these because it's very easy, and they come off very, very easy, and you can replace them quick. For protection from UV rays and for cooling comfort, our shades really are the best things under the sun.